Welcome to How to Use FL Studio on Mac, Full Guide 2025. Let's dive into the world of music production on your Mac. Before we begin, let's check the system requirements for running FL Studio on your Mac. Ensure you have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and macOS 10.11 or later. Now let's install FL Studio. First, head to the official website, download the installer, and follow the prompts to install. Easy, right? Once installed, open FL Studio. Here's an overview of the main sections: the channel rack, playlist, and mixer. Get familiar with these areas. Next, let's set up your audio and MIDI devices. Go to Preferences, set your audio device, and connect your MIDI controller. Now it's time to create your first project. Click New Project, choose a template, and let your creativity flow. In the playlist, you can organize your tracks. Use the mixer to adjust volumes and effects. Let's make some magic. Explore adding virtual instruments and samples. Drag and drop your favorites to create unique sounds. Don't forget to save your projects regularly. When you are ready, export your music via File, Export. Share your creation. Encounter a problem? Don't worry. Some common issues include audio device not being recognized. Check the settings or visit the FL Studio forums for help.